How is it all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here outside and doing vlog, and I'm gonna show you something beautiful. I used to have little kids. I used to live in Las Piñas Fish Pond. And look at that, it's beautiful. And from here, I'm here at the where Hampton, and that's my future my future grandfather from the city. And I was with my boyfriend. I hope you guys are doing well, doing vlogs because very nice. It's like I remember when I was younger, me and my sister, we always get a small fish, have that we never be disappointed. My sister said, why do you have to catch the small fish? Because I really like to play with them. But being an animal near them, you feel like much more comfortable with them. And you guys, you have a lot of like because you have a cat or dog, but I'm a dog lover, and I get a sense that on like everything's happening on some reason. I see a lot of what we call this one, security, right? I can see my old morning. I can see there's a lot of like what should I say, like animal spirit, white birds, they guide me, and they always giving me like a message, so I can definitely send to other animals, and I can do like telepathic with them as well. So, but I thank God, just always be safe and have a good day, guys. Namaste and God bless. Stay safe, guys. I hope you guys will like the one I'm showing you. The beautiful, what do you call this one? It's like a lake or something.
Like a little pond?
Yeah,
Pond.
very nice. It's like pretend that you got in a Las Vegas,
Yeah.
right? In some Las Vegas, there's a lot of big signs. But I think there's one moment over here. I like it. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I'm going to show you guys. Very nice. Guys, I really like to this one when we used to have when I was small. My family and my mom and my dad both house. So we have a small. I think it looks like exactly like that. Much more different. See, waterfall. Oh, beautiful. I love it, guys. You see that, guys? Look at that. Wow. It's wonderful, guys. Very nice. I love it. It's pretending myself I'm going to swim this thing. I don't know how to swim. But anyway, guys, I hope you like it and take care, guys. Namaste, and hopefully in the future I can do like do what do you call it, like answer in questions, but I think I am not qualified for now because I have to reach, guys, please help me, guys, to reach more viewers. So nothing question. Don't stay sick. Have a good day, guys. God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and so that you can get that. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.